Greetings to one and all present here. I'm Elena from Grade 1E. I'm extremely privileged to have this opportunity to welcome you all for our Virtual Talents Day 2021. Accordingly and respectfully welcome our Director Prabhakar Sir and his family, our Principal Anubha ma'am, our Coordinator Chandra ma'am, other coordinators, all our teachers, our support staff, and last but not the least, all the parents to watch our Virtual Talents Day event and encourage us. Undoubtedly, we are very fortunate to have all of you to support and guide us. So without wasting much time, let us begin and unfold the various events awaiting. Let us start this special day with the blessings of God Almighty. I invite Tanya to sing the prayer song. Hi all, my name is Tanya. Let's start our day with a beautiful prayer. Patram pushpam balam toryam yone bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhaktyo praghrutam ashrami prayatatmanaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Thank you everyone. Thank you Tanya. Next, citizens now will be performing the welcome dance. Hi everyone, this is Siri Nandana. Joel has lots of information to share with us about the state of Punjab. Let us welcome Joel. Hello all, my name is Joel Joseph and I am studying in 1E. I'm going to give talk on Punjab. Punjab is one of the beautiful states in India. The capital is Chandigarh. Punjab is situated in North India. Punjab is known as land of five rivers. The state is known as Wheat Bowl of India. Most of the people believe in Sikh religion. The language of Punjab is Punjabi. Hockey is the popular sport in Punjab. Bhangra is one of the famous Punjabi musical art form. Golden Temple is the main pilgrim center in Punjab. Wow, that is very informative, Joel. I'm sure many of us are now excited to visit Punjab. Bhangra beats makes anyone feel alive. Here comes how it fits Bhangra moves. Balle balle. Avish, you put your heart and soul into the dance. Well done, my friend. Punjab, the state bordering Pakistan, is the heart of India's Sikh community. Deepika Expressy will give us a lot of information about the important and must-visit places of Punjab. Good morning, everybody. I am Jivika. Today, my topic is about famous places in Punjab. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Amritsar, the Golden Temple. Jalandhar, sports goods. Rupar, ancient town in Punjab. Patiala, city of newspapers. Thank you. Thank you, Jivika. Thank you, Smriti. That is very educational and informative. Music and dance plays a very significant role in the lives of Punjabis. Their rhythmic movement and colorful dresses are extremely popular. We got you to entertain us with the Punjabi dance.
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੋਕਾ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਸਭਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਨੱਚਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੋਕਾ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਸਭਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਸੋਨੇ ਦਾ ਕੋਕਾ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਸੋਨੇ ਦਾ ਕੋਕਾ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ 121 ਰੁਮਾਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਵੀ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਦਿਲ ਵੀ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਨੱਚੀ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਵੀ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਨੱਚੀ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਵੀ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਹਰਾਨੀ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨੱਚਿਆਂ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਮਨਾ ਲੈ ਯਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨੱਚਿਆਂ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਮਨਾ ਲੈ ਯਾਰ ਨੂੰ नीतू नच ले हरानी नीतू नच ले
Thank you, Megha. That was mesmerizing. Let us welcome Athar to talk about the state animal of Punjab. Everyone, I am Athar. Today I will talk about state animal of Punjab. The state animal of Punjab is black buck. It is known as Indian antelope. It belongs to species of deer. It is found in India, Nepal and Pakistan. The lifespan of black buck is 10 to 15 years. It lives on open woodland and semi-desert areas. It has a pair of long spiral horn with rings. It is a herbivorous animal. Black buck love to eat grass, fruits, flowers, shrubs and herbs. It is active throughout the day in winter but mainly in morning and evening in summer. It is known as Krishna Mruga in Sanskrit. It is a vehicle of wind god. Thank you. Thank you, Athar, for enlightening all of us about the state animal of Punjab, the black buck. Let's invite Mitrishi and Karunya to talk about some amazing facts of Punjab. I am going to talk about of the Punjab, best of the Punjab. The Punjab is located northwest region. The Punjab's capital is Chandigarh. The Punjab famous food is chobachuri. The Punjab famous sweet is ghee. The Punjab has 7 rivers on VC. Bye bye friends. Tomorrow I see you. Hello everyone. My name is Mitrashi. Today I am going to share 5 amazing facts about Punjab. Located in the northwest region of India, Punjab is popularly known as land of 5 rivers. Punjab is made up of 2 words, Panj meaning 5 and Ab meaning water. Punjab after Kerala is the most healthiest state of India. Punjab soil is very fertile. Major crops such as rice and wheat are grown here. Hence, it is called India's breadbasket. As per the World Book of Records, Golden Temple in Amritsar, located in Punjab, is the most visited place in the world. More than half of the Indian Army is made up of Punjabis. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Mr. Sri, and thank you, Karanya. That was enlightening. Now I invite my friend Mr. Sri to host the next part of our talent week. Thank you, Milind. There are many famous people from Punjab who shaped the India of today. A former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh is from Punjab. We have Ayushman here who has dressed up like Dr. Manmohan Singh. He is going to give his idea about life of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Good morning, everyone. I am Manmohan Singh, an Indian economist, academic, and politician who serves as the 13th Prime Minister of India from 2004 to 2014. Currently, I am a member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha. Coming to my early life and education, I was born in Gaur, Punjab on 26 September 1932, which is now in Pakistan. My father Sri Gurmukh Singh and my mother Srimati Amrit Kaur migrated to Amritsar during partition of India and lost my mother when I was very young. I studied at Hindu College Amritsar. I was fortunate in many ways that I was able to go to schools where I had very good teachers who motivated me to think fresh. That is a legacy which I will never forget. I still remember my economics teacher Dr. S.P. Rangena who motivated me to think big and plan to go to Cambridge University, which was the high seat for learning economics in those days. I have earned the first class honors degree in economics at Cambridge University and in DPhil from Oxford University. I returned to India and served as an economics professor in Punjab University. I had not planned my career in the hope of wanting to be a politician. From school and college days, my ambition was to be a teacher. I'm in politics because Prime Minister Narasimha Rao induced me to join politics as Finance Minister of his government to deal with the massive economic crisis which India was then faced with. I became Prime Minister of India in some circumstances. I think I did a great job for it. At last, I want to say one thing. मैं बोलता नहीं, मैं काम करता हूँ. जय हिंद. Thank you. A big round of applause for Ayushman. Now let us call upon Navya and Prajwalika to speak about the famous and delicious Punjabi cuisines. Good morning everyone. My name is Prajwalika. Today I am presenting a speech about Punjab's food. When we are speaking about Punjab, how can we ignore their food? Punjab is known as the breadbasket of India. They produce huge quantities of wheat, potato, sugarcane, millet, barley, mustard, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Punjabi foods are mostly vegetarian based. The everyday food are includes dal and roti, which is also being served in Gurudwara as langar. Punjabi cuisine is known as the bread, known for its rich and buttery flavor, along with extensive vegetarian and meat dishes. Some food items are eaten daily, while some delicacies are cooked on special occasions. Punjabis eat a lot of dairy products. We cannot imagine Punjabi meal without ghee, butter, paneer, along with which ends with glass of lassi. With famous delicacies are almetsari kulcha, सरसों दा साग and makari roti, छोले भटूरे, तंदूरी चिकन, गाजर की हलवा, पिनी, लस्सी. I too love Punjabi food a lot and will dig in every time I get a chance. Thank you, everyone. Balle balle, oh balle balle, balle balle, oh balle balle. मैं पंजाब से कुड़ियाँ, मैं पंजाब से आईयाँ. तुम्हें पता है ये सब कुछ बहुत मशहूर है. सबसे ज्यादा मेरे वाहिगुरु दरबार से है अमृतसर. रब के अनुसार खुशियाँ अनेक चंगी सेहत बख्शी. मेरे पंजाब के खाने विच छोले भटूरे बहुत पसंद हैं. मैंगो लस्सी, गुलाब जामुन बहुत पसंद हैं. चंडीगढ़ बोटैनिकल गार्डन, दिवागा बॉर्डर देखने विच बहुत पसंद हैं. ਅਤੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਇਤੀ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਪਰੇਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ. मेरे पंजाब ਨੂੰ प्यार करदा, मैंने भारत ਨੂੰ प्यार करदा. Wow, Gavyan Prajwalika, that is indeed amazing. Now I'm sure that you all are craving for that Punjabi food. Bum bum bole, masti mein dole. Bum bum bole, masti mein tu dole re. Here comes that song.
Chakaraka chicha cho chakaloram gando wando lakaraka tam akko takko hidi go hidi pai chiki chakacho gili man sulu man makaraka bukure chakalaka bikko chikko tili go bagadum chagadum chiki chakacho. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं. हाँ, हम जैसे देखे ये जहाँ है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोच आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ. चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुनने. धारे गारे गामा पसा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले मस्ती में डोले. बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले. बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले. बम बम बोले
of the oldest and richest culture of the world. Punjabis celebrate numerous religious and seasonal festivals. Here comes Jafita to talk about that. Hello everyone, my name is Jafita and I am going to tell you about the festivals of Punjab. Punjab and the five rivers is one of the most fertile regions of India. It is home to the Punjab community known to be loud and lively. Top 5 festivals of Punjab are as follows: Baisakhi, Festival of Harvest. The Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi by bathing in the holy rivers and paired Gurdwaras. Hola Mola, the festival of brotherhood and bravery. It is a famous and colorful 3 days festival celebrated during spring. Lodi, famous folk festival of Punjab. It marks the end of winter season. It is celebrated by singing traditional Lodi songs. Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is the birth anniversary of Lord Guru Nanak, who is the first founder of Sikhism. Basant Panchami. This marks the beginning of spring season. It is celebrated for the importance of yellow color. Thank you all. Thank you, Jafita. That was very enlightening. Next, we have Naina here to dance for a Punjabi beat. Unbelievable performance, Naina. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Now let us hear about the people and culture of Punjab generation. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nishin. Today I am going to tell about Punjabi culture. Punjabi has one of the oldest and richest culture. They welcome everyone with open hearts. Punjabis are very determined people. They are very smart. They help people. They are very helpful, kind, and determined. They celebrate festivals with good food, music, and dances. The famous dance is Bhangra. The Punjabis have one of the richest food flavors and spices. Food is a big part of their culture. Punjabis are traditional with their tradition and relations. Men wear turban with great pride. All to all, Punjabis are loud and loud by all over the world. Thank you. Great. Thank you, Vishen, for this wonderful fact. Now, Milind is going to perform a solo skit where he will announce himself and his fictional Punjabi friend. Now, Milind has gone to Punjab to meet his Punjabi friend Balvinder and is exploring the rich culture and heritage of Punjab with his friend. Sat Sri Akal, Milind. Welcome to the land of fireworks. Welcome to Punjab. Sat Sri Akal, Balvinder. You have come on right occasion. We are celebrating Lodi today. What is Lodi, Balvinder? You'll come to know in the evening. Just wait till then. So, Milan, Lodi is one of the major festivals we celebrate in Punjab. It is the harvest festival that we celebrate at the end of winter season and to welcome the sun god. There's one more major festival we celebrate during summer. It is called Baisakhi. It is New Year for us. Oh wow, that sounds interesting. How do you celebrate Lodi? On Lodi, we light up a bonfire after sunset and sing and dance around it. Now when I say dance, of course it has to be Bhangra and Gidda. Come Milan, please join us. Oh yara, bajao dol! It was really fun. It's impossible to not dance on this beat. Now I'm hungry. Here we have Punjab's special food, makke di roti and sarson da saag. Oh yes, I've heard about it. This is very famous. Of course it is, because maize and mustard are among the staple crops in Punjab, and majority of farmers in Punjab grow wheat. I can't wait to visit farm fields. Have patience, my dear friend. I will take you to fields tomorrow early morning. You'll have your first experience of golden wheat. The view is mesmerizing. When sunrise falls on the wheat crop and it looks as if earth has covered itself in golden blanket. Oh, it is delicious and full. Still we are not done. You have to make room for this. What's this, friend? आजा मिलकर करें मस्ती लस्सी पिए अस्सी तस्सी This lassi mustache is the proof that we are done now. Now where are we going, Balvinder? I'm taking you to the place where everybody is welcome. We are going to Golden Temple. बोलो वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह।
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं।
This very peaceful feeling. Yes, indeed. A holy book, Guru Granth Sahib, resides in this Gurudwara. This holy book gives us strength, guidance, and teaches us about humanity and truthfulness. Thank you so much, Belinda, for bringing me here. Where are we going tomorrow? I'm taking you to a place with full of energy and patriotic feeling. We are going to Wakha border. You'll see our brave soldiers in parade. Everyone will chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai as loud as possible. It was so nice. I was getting goosebumps during the ceremony. I can't believe it's time for me to leave already. I wish I could have stayed for more days to explore rich culture and heritage of Punjab. Next time, I'll come with my friends. Of course, Villain, our Punjab will always welcome everyone with open hearts.
You gotta know me if you love me. You gotta show me. मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा। मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या। मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा। मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या। तेरी मेरी कहानी नहीं हो गई, तू मेरा हो गया, मैं तेरी हो गई। जहाँ जाए तू संग मुझे ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, ले जा, महकी रात में चुरा के सारे रंग ले जा, सारे रंग ले जा। रातें रातें में भीगूं साथ में, तू ऐसी मुलाकात दे जा, मुलाकात दे जा।
Hi all, my name is Tanya. I'm going to sing a song from Kesari movie sung by Pratik Bachchan, who has won the national award for this song. वारों पे सर वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जनाया है, तब जाके कही हम मैं सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए, सो दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी याद सहाना, जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी ज़मीं मेरा महबूब मेरी नस नस बहकर इश्क बहे, बीका न पड़े कभी रंग दिया, जिस मुँह से निकल के खून कहे। तेरे मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरे नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। याद रहे वो गाँव में लाता, लौट के वापस जा न सका। बतनाए मेरी बतनाए मेरी बेरा ब्यार दिया लाता, वलवार दुआ तेरा असमत मैं कितना नसीबो वाला था। मैं मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरे नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी आखिरी नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुकड़े पे कभी उसका जाना कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आकस बढ़िया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरे चांद में और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरे नदियों में बह जावा तेरे फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। Thank you, everyone.
बड़े बड़े बैली पाके घूमे जे बाजी, ज्यादा ना बिना मेरी हम पंजे बाजी। किला किला तरफ मुंह मोड़ना हो गए श्याम तेरे शहर चर्च। वे मेरा मंजरे मुड़ेरी चिगरी की तन्नू चल दे तेरे चक्कर। यारों पीछे पड़ता होना छपियां छपी सारी तुम्हारी बैठी तेरे करके। समझी ना कोई मैनू सब पता है, किथे किथे हो जाते हो गया आए मेरे पिछे जिन्ने बन रोमियो, मुड़ के ना मड़े चंडीगढ़ मैप पे। समझी ना कोई मैनू सब पता है, किथे किथे हो जाते हो गया आए मेरे पिछे जिन्ने बन रोमियो, मुड़ के ना मड़े चंडीगढ़ मैप। बड़ी मोहाली तेरी खार वैरिया, खंबे दिले आजी ना किसे ना लड़के।
Thank you, ma'am. My name is Devrat. Punjab is located in northwest part of India. In ancient times, it was called Sapta Sindhu. It had suffered many foreign invasions. Punjab is the land of Sikhism. Guru Nanak was the founder of the Sikh religion, and Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th Guru. Sikh Gurus and their family contributed to fight against Mughals is remarkable. Unbelievable performance, Milind. With this, we come to the end of the GNL Virtual Talents Day for Grade 1E. Now, I invite Abhiram to tell the vote of thanks.
Hi everyone, my name is Abhiram. On behalf of the students of grade 1E, I would like to thank our principal Anubha ma'am, coordinator Chandra ma'am, class teacher Maushmi ma'am, and our dear parents for being so encouraging and supportive to make this talent stay remarkable. Hope everyone present here thoroughly enjoyed this show. I request to stand up for the national anthem. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे